Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make jalapeno bacon wrapped poppers. It is so easy to make and it goes so well with a cookout. So what you're going to need is the biggest jalapenos you can get, cream cheese, bacon, gloves, butter or cooking spray, and a tinfoil tray or any other tray that's safe to use in an oven, because we are going to bake these in the oven. And what I'm doing here is spreading the butter all over the pan, but I recommend to use a cooking spray. It's much easier. Next, what you need to do, and I recommend you to do, is put on some gloves on, because working with jalapenos, it is going to stain your fingers with the hotness and it is going to burn later on. No matter how many times you try to wash your hands, it is going to burn, and then from there you might be touching other areas of your skin, especially in your face. It's going to burn and sting. So yes, I do recommend you to wear gloves. So what I'm doing here is I'm using a spoon and scraping all the seeds, and sometimes depending how I feel of the day, I just take one half of the jalapeno, all the seeds out, and leave the other half with the seeds in. It's just depending on the day and whoever's coming to eat and all that. So in this case, I removed all the seeds from both sides of the jalapenos, but it's either way of how much spiciness you like to eat. The pack of bacon that I used usually comes 12 to 14 bacon strips. So when I get the jalapenos, when I'm choosing my jalapenos, I already know how much I need to get. I went ahead and pre-sliced my cream cheese, so that way when it comes to stuffing my jalapenos, it'll be easier just by stuffing them and wrapping them with the bacon. And that's basically all you do. It is so easy and simple. Before wrapping your jalapenos, I recommend you to preheat your oven on 475, and we're also going to bake it on 475 Fahrenheit, 15 to 20 minutes. So yeah, I hope you do give this a try, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, click the bell icon to be notified each time I upload a video. Until next time, bye!